Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. We're live here. I've got Kayla joining me today. How you going, Kayla?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you. Thanks for tuning in to our weekly market update. We've got a bit to talk about this week. So freezing cold today. Snow's
Yes.
down to around 400 metres and all the hills are covered around Hillville. So certainly, I think it's meant to continue during the day. So certainly
Stay
another
in the office.
taste of winter. Yeah, stay in the office. Lots of rain overnight too, although a few of the guys were braving the weather when they left earlier to go and do some inspections and looking at properties. So how's the property management market going at the moment?
Good, busy for us. We've got 8 online, which has kept us really busy for the last week, but we do have applications on majority of the properties and 2 just leased this morning. It's keeping us busy throughout the week with open homes and things like that and processing of applications. But we still at that point where we do need a lot more properties, especially here, like in Ranelagh, Huonville, things like that, because that's where the majority of people have said that they do want. But we're still being able to lease properties down at Woodbridge and things like that. So still that demand as well.
Yeah. So that's some interesting advice probably for all the people that are looking to buy something for an investment.
Definitely.
If you're looking at the return on investment and having a bulletproof sort of tenancy position, then buy something around Huonville, Ranelagh to get the best return and ability to cover a tough market if it changes ever and things like that. Where then other people, you talk to some of the sales guys from a capital growth point of view, that's a different sort of strategy compared to return on investment and multiple tenants and those sort of choices. So every investor is different in what they're looking for. But certainly we find that when the market is bad, not that we can remember when that is for property management, but it's always solid in Huonville and Ranelagh, and you've always got lots of tenancy options and things. So under the sales market, and it's been a relatively busy week. We've continued on with a lot of offers again this week, multiple offers. We've had a few less properties hit the market over the last week, so not quite as many new inspections or open homes this weekend. We only had the one on this weekend, so a little bit of a quieter weekend of that, but I think we've got a couple more coming up in the weekend ahead. It's still very similar. Lots of buyer inquiry on the property that we have got. Fewer properties coming to market over this colder period, but we know there's a fair few people sort of thinking about coming to market in the springtime. So I'd expect that sort of traditional October, November period to bring some more properties to the market and hopefully alleviate some of the buyer demand that's been there to spread that out a little bit more evenly and give some buyers an opportunity to buy some houses. So so that's probably it for us this week. Thanks for tuning in. A little bit of the same, but it's really nice again for 3 weeks in a row to have lots of properties available and being able to hopefully find some of those tenants that have been looking.
It's good to have more than 2.
Yeah.
And not be able to help anyone having 8, then we're helping a lot more people, which is good.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you next week on the update.